Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, October the 31st, 2022, last day of the month. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. And the binary, yes, the binary puzzle. It's binary time, yes. And this one will be number 5411. Let me mark this with 5411. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row, in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright, I need to think. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. If I place the 4th O. No. Here we have 3 O's in the last column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Yeah. Thinking. Yes. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Alright. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Okay. Still we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. Need to think. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. 3 O's. Well, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So this box should be an O. 3 O's we have here. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. All right. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well. 1, 2, 3. Do I need to compare? Well, this is almost the same, this one. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I look to this column and that column, the ones. Here we have the ones. I cannot place the 4th one. Here we have 3 ones. I cannot place the 4th one here. Then we have identical columns. So here can be 1. This should be an O then. Okay. But it's not helping me. This is not helping me. Double 1. This row and that row. Look, we have 0011110011. Empty box, empty box, empty box. Well, the 4th one in this row should be here. Then we have, if I place the 1 here, then we have identical rows. So I cannot place the 1 there. We have then 4 ones here, also 4 ones. So then those rows are identical. So this box should be an O then. Okay, double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between a 1 and an O, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and the 4th one. So these 2 boxes should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 3 O's. Wow, this one is complicated. 1, 2, 3. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Double 1. Here no, there no. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O. Here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. And now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Need to compare. This, no, cannot. Double O, no. Double 1, no. Cannot compare the columns. So the rows, then double O here. No, double 1001. This row, first row and 4th row. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Finish in 9 minutes. Well. Complicated, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. It's not easy, this one, but we solve it again. Thank you again for watching, and yeah, I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.